हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके सामने बात करूंगा रिगार्डिंग हेयर सेटिंग. सी, हेयर सेटिंग इज ए कॉमन फिनोमेना यू फाइंड इन लॉट ऑफ ब्रीड्स, पर्टिकुलरली इन लेब्राडोर, इन पग, इन बीगल. बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं हमारे पास बिकॉज हेयर सेटिंग से वो परेशान हो जाते हैं. देयर इज ऑलवेज हेयर्स ऑल अराउंड द हाउस एंड इट्स इरिटेटिंग ऑल्सो फॉर देम. तो फर्स्ट वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज हेयर सेटिंग. See, hair shedding is a natural process which happens in puppy and dogs. Generally, it is molting of hairs. तो बाल तो झड़ेंगे क्योंकि नए बाल रिप्लेस होने हैं. दैट्स ए नेचुरल कोर्स. बट जनरली इट हैपन्स एवरी 6 months or maybe when there is a season change, there is some stress factor. Then it starts and generally it ends in 1 month and then it becomes normal. So, if it is natural, it goes like that every 6 months, then it becomes normal. But what are the other regions where hair shedding occurs? Number one reason may be nutritional. See, your skin and hair needs lot of nutrition, particularly omega-3, vitamin A, biotin. All these supplements are required to maintain integrity of skin. Unless skin integrity is maintained, hair will not be strong enough to stay on the body. So, number one is nutritional. Number two, allergy. If there is allergy and if it is continuous, there will be hair shedding always, because allergy means skin layer, epidermis layer, all area is always allergic and there is skin is broken. So, the place where hair is standing, if that itself gets damaged because of allergy, obviously there will be hair shedding. Other problem may be bacterial infection. When there is bacterial infection, there will be hair shedding. If there is a fungal infection, you can see patches where you can from far away you can notice small spots. That is the fungal infection. Ringworm is something like 25 paisa coin type of hair shedding will be there. So that is fungal infection. So if it is there, there will be hair shedding. Another is mites, scabies and mites. So generalized scabies and mites cause severe hair shedding and there will be a lot of hair loss. So these are the 3-4 reasons: allergy, bacterial infection, fungal infection and bacterial parasitic infection. So these are the reasons for hair shedding. Another reason may be hormonal. If there is a thyroid issue, there will be skin problem and there will be hair shedding. See, now how to maintain, how to prevent it. First, if it is regular hair shedding, it means when there is normal molting, that cannot be prevented because that is natural process of replacing its own hair and new hair comes. Other is allergy. If it is allergic, you have to find out the reason for allergy. Maybe gluten allergy or maybe some environmental allergy. You have to get rid of that and then it will not be there. If it is bacterial infection, treat with antibiotic. If it is fungal or something like that, you visit your vet and they may prescribe some medication and your dog will become all right. Now, how to take care of skin and hair itself, that is important, which you can do at your home. First is nutritional replenishment. So, if suppose so in the starting I told you it is because of certain vitamins deficiency, certain minerals deficiency. So, take care of that. If you are giving homemade food and nutrition is not complete, you can supplement with some biotin supplement, some omega-3 supplement, you can give salmon oil. So, this will prevent hair shedding. If it is hormonal, go for thyroid test and some other hormonal test. If you find any problem in that, medication can be given and that will take care of that. Moreover, you see, on skin of a dog, there is always bacteria and there is always fungus. Both stay together and both prevent each other's development, thereby preventing infection. So, what you do? Don't use Savlon and other antiseptic liquid wash unnecessarily on dog skin. Let the body get immunized by natural way, that is important. Other part, brushing is very important. What to do? Daily brushing is important. You can buy a comb or a simple brush from any pet shop and pet clinic and brush daily. What brushing does? Brushing does एक massaging. Number one, it mechanically removes all fungal spores and any dust or any allergen from the body, thereby preventing infection. Other thing what brushing does, brushing means you are massaging the body, thereby increasing blood supply of skin. So what happened with that? If there is more blood supply, there is more oxygenation. If there is more oxygenation, naturally your body gets capacity to get rid of infection in a natural way. So this is the one a very important thing you can do daily with your pet, and you can prevent hair shedding. So dear friends, these are the reasons I have explained in very simple way. Follow this and be happy with your pet. Thank you very much.